What's up guys, welcome back. In today's story I'm going to show you guys how to make a tropical dream. You guys mean blue carousel, dripstick, lemon syrup, rum, pineapple juice or tropical juice, ice, shaker and cocktail onions for decoration. Alright, let's get started. So first, 2 shots of your rum. One shot of lemon syrup. And 2 shots of dripstick. And 2 shots of blue carousel. And grab your ice into your shaker and give it a nice hard shake. There we go. Grab your glass. Throw your mix into your shake, into your glass. And then top it up with your pineapple juice or tropical juice. And then you grab your cocktail onions for decoration into the glass with a little straw. There we go, tropical dream. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.